N8n versus Flowise. Which one is better? Now, if you're looking to streamline workflows or leverage AI tools, today we're comparing N8n to Flowise to see which one better suit your needs. Now, first things first, let's talk about N8n. N8n is a no-code open-source automation tool that allows users to connect apps and create workflows without the technical expertise. It's flexible with integrations for various APIs, and it's great for automating business process. Now, Flowise, on the other hand, is a no-code UI specifically designed for working with LangChain and building AI-driven workflows. It's perfect for developers or businesses looking to integrate large language models and AI into their operations seamlessly. Now, let's talk about their key differences. For the use case, N8n excels in the general automation across apps, while Flowise specializes in creating workflows involving AI and natural language processing. For complexity, N8n offers a simple learning curve, while Flowise is more niche and better suited for AI-savvy users. Now, for customization, both tools are customizable, but Flowise shines when AI functionality is the priority. And so, which one is better? For broad automation needs, N8n is a strong choice. If your focus is on AI and large language models, Flowise has the edge. And so guys, which one works for you? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.